Well, back with another Dynodaze video in the beautiful sunshine, and once again we're fitting even more JC Clubsport gear to this bronze FN2. Now, I already had some bits and bobs, so let's show you what we're doing today. Oh yeah! Check that out for an FN2. You can probably make out what that is. It's a rear seat to delete. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so here's another JC Clubsport rear seat delete. Now, for this particular video, we've kept the rear seats in, they're just folded down, but you can get the picture. This is quilted with green stitching. It looks very, very nice. So now we're going to put the Clubsport bar and netting back in and see what it looks like. Okay, so we've got the Clubsport netting back in with the carbon bar, and I think that looks really, really well. Look at that. So Dynodaze are a dealer for this stuff, JC Clubsport stuff. We think the quality is amazing, and that really finishes off this FN2 really very nicely. Yeah, I think that looks absolutely brilliant. Oh, by the way, Drivers HQ. If you need any detailing products, go to Drivers HQ. You can get all this sort of stuff. This is just colour coded, but yeah, there we go. Really happy with that. That looks stunning. Well done, JC Clubsport. Well done.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.